Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Redmi model and MIUI version so you apply the right steps. Open Settings and About Phone, write down the MIUI release. Once done, back up your active theme and essential data using the Themes app or Security Backup to avoid surprises. If the live theme came from an online account, make sure to disable syncing or turn off internet temporarily. Also enable developer options only if you plan to use ADB later. This prepares your phone for direct changes. You now remove the live theme using the Themes app. Go to Themes Me My page and find the active live theme, hit uninstall or apply default to restore the system theme. If the uninstall button is grayed out, make sure to clear the theme's cache in Settings Apps Themes, then force stop and reopen. Once done, use Storage Themes Clear Data if necessary. This removes residual settings. Make sure to reboot after clearing so system processes reload, and the default theme fully applies. You finish by handling stubborn cases with advanced methods. If theme still resists, use ADB from a computer. Enable USB debugging, confirm a DB devices, then uninstall theme packages or remove the theme APK. This forces removal at system level. Also check lock screen and wallpapers because live wallpapers can be separate and must be disabled. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party theme managers, then uninstall them. If nothing works, restore your backup or factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you save data first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.